This is Gavin's eating but he's so sleepy. Shh, wag niyo siya tignan. Wag niyo siya tignan. Sarap. Carl, get the fork daw. Ayan. Watch him lang. Bagal na ng pagnguya niya eh. Shh. Okay guys, let's eat. Let's eat.
Your eyes are getting heavy.
Your eyes are...
You are now getting sleepy.
Ano yung kata dun sa may Zoolander?
I'm not sure which one.
May parang ano yun eh. Trans. Gavi.
I like my
It's so yummy. So yummy, but I have to sleep. I have to eat?
No.
No, sleep. Chew.
Just a little wait. No, I can't fall asleep.
Ayan. Wow. He reached over. Shh, okay, pabayaan mo na siya. Okay, sleep. Pahigayin mo, Jean.
Napansin na.
Okay.